JD Cap 26 here. We just do the repairs and tips. And we've got a piece of wire here. It's a piece of coat hanger. You want to cut off with some good cutters here. If we can get them opened up. About double. We're making a pair of tweezers. So cut it off there. Okay. There it is. Piece. And make sure you have safety glasses and a glove to do this. And let's see if we can start this thing. It's quite difficult. You know, I keep forgetting how to do this. Light this thing. It's terrible. There we go. So you want to take the piece in the hands and you want to heat it up. Like so. Keep heating it up. Mostly the end here you want to heat up. And when you see it's blue, it's very, very hot, so do not touch it. Get it nice and hot. Let's see. Put it down here. And you want to tap on it and flatten that end. So let's see if we can light this thing again. Get it more heated up. So we're going to do that and get it nice and flat. And we'll be with you in a second. So we're heating it up and we're tapping it on a piece of metal here. Metal to metal, you want to do. Like so. Get it nice and flat. So we get this as close as possible here. I don't want to touch it, it's very hot, but I got it to a square point. Heating it from the end to about down to here. So here we go. It's nice and cool now. It's cooled down. And see if I can focus this for you. So what you want to do is you take both flat ends. There's a flat end here and a flat end here, and you want to find the halfway mark. And you want to bend it in half. With your hands like this. Okay. Got a flat end here and a flat end here. Okay. Take a pair of pliers and squeeze this down. I'm going to turn them. Basically, you want to get them in the relative shape. Okay. Like that. And you take this part, after you make it, and you attach it to your soldering iron. And you hold the solder in between there. And you can solder parts easily, instead of the solder rolling off your piece. So all I got to do is straighten this part out, this flat part out here. So that's what I want to show you today. Took some doing. Yeah, you can take a pair of tweezers and cut them off and use those and solder them together and make a pair that way. But this is the easiest way. Piece of coat hanger. Thanks. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.